Today we're going to talk about the hopper priming and the first grill burn-off. Here I have the Country Smokers brand wood pellet grill. This procedure should work for most brands and most types of wood pellet grill, but be sure to always consult your operations manual before attempting anything. Welcome to Rome's Reviews, everyone. Do hit the subscribe, like, and bell icon button so you don't miss any of our upcoming reviews. Let's make our channel grow. Leave a comment if this review is helpful or a suggestion on a review you would like to see. Do share this video. First step, make sure your pellet grill is in the off position and it is unplugged. After that, you can remove all of your grilling components. Next, lift your hopper box. You're making sure that both your hopper box is clear of debris, and it is, and your pellet pit. No debris there. Next, go ahead and plug your pellet grill in. Turn your pellet grill to the smoke setting. Verify that your auger is moving. It is. And you can feel the fan. And I did. Do not. Ow! Do not stick your hands in there. It's hot. After about 1 minute, your heating element will heat up. You should be able to feel heat. And I did. Now we can turn your pellet grill off. Go ahead and fill your hopper box with pellets. You don't have to be so dramatic, but I do. After your hopper box is full, turn your pellet grill to the smoke setting. One, 2, 3 minutes. After about 3 minutes, pellets will have begun to get fed through the auger and should be falling into your pellet pit. Once you verify that, we can now turn the grill to the off setting. At this point, we will go ahead and reinstall all of our grilling components. Close the hopper lid, close your grill lid, and this grill hopper is primed. Now, we will do the grill first burn off. This will ensure all debris left during packaging is burned off, any grease or wax that they applied as well. We will set your setting to at least 350 degrees. For about 40 minutes. This will ensure your grill has enough time to warm up. This will be a good time to get your hamburgers ready. After the 40 minutes, we can now turn your grill off. Sweet. Your pellet grill is ready. Let's get grilling. Oh yeah. Thanks for watching. I hope this procedure video helped you in your quest to, yeah, that's it.